You're not eating nothing on your feet all day and gaining weight. Like, that's not what's happening. If you were in a calorie deficit, you will lose weight. If you were in a calorie surplus, you are gonna gain weight. Just because the scale is up one day, even if you were good and tracked your calories, it's fucking water weight.
So I got tagged in this video. I'm not interested in doing a stitch with her. It doesn't appear that she has done all of her homework. My name is Adriana. I'm an online fitness and nutrition coach for women over the age of 40. I'm 50. I'm a mom of 4. I've had over 9 years of obesity, being 200 pounds, and I'm also perimenopausal, and I am on low dose HRT. I've gone through life and I understand our particular journey. Number 1, calorie deficit is not the end all to be all. It is multifaceted journey. There is a hormonal imbalance as estrogen is out the door because we are no longer able to produce children. Number 2, generalized comments serve no one, and unless you've personally experienced or you are going through this journey, you have no idea what you're talking about. Number 3, you can't attract bees with vinegar. We need to do our homework. We need to have the conversations with our healthcare providers. We need to understand how our body's moving and grooving, and understand, do not accept a generalized blanket statement from anyone about your particular journey. Need support in your corner? Follow me for more. Together, not divided.